All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Been day trading about 3 years now, still struggling, but I feel like I'm really getting close. If you guys like to join me on that journey, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's get to it, baby. We are live Tuesday, July 30th, and back again trading the SPY. Second day live trading just the SPY. Um, and it's all about the rules today. Um, it's just been a lot of inconsistency trying to be like fluid, I guess dynamic, and adapt to each situation. But I think I pretty much just kind of fall into the same headspace, which is not wanting to take profits, waiting for the bigger move. I just always get there. And I'm talking about my take profit strategy. Um, I used to be a 2R all or nothing trader. And so, meaning I would get in a trade, my stop loss would be at minus 1R, and my take profit would be at 2R. And that would be it. As soon as that hit, I'm out. I won. Boom, I'm good. Then I was doing 3R all or nothing. What's up, Wave Rider? Good morning. Then I was doing 3R all or nothing because I saw so many 2R runners keep going after I would get my 2R target. And so I was doing 3R all or nothing. And then I would still see a lot of runners go past 3R. And so I don't know. Since then I've been, now I don't want to take profit. I want to hold so I can get 5, 6, 7R out of a trade. But of course that only happens, every so often. So you can't modify your regular trading strategy for something that happens, on an occasion. But that's what I would always end up falling into. Let me get like 2 days in a row of getting 4 or 5R. Hey, I'm holding. But I've seen so many days where I've let a lot of profit just slip through my fingers because I was waiting and didn't do anything, didn't move my stop up, didn't sell partials. So we got a nice little range that's been created here over the last day or over the last 2 days. um it's really interesting here. Man, so what I'm doing today is I got 3 trades that I'm doing. You got the fit 5 or 15 minute ORB slash breakover VWAP, which I'm still kind of I don't know. I should probably take this guy off because it's kind of a yeah, I'm gonna take that off. All right, 5 15 minute opening range breakout, 5 15 minute higher high, higher low to VWAP, and a 15-minute hammer reversal at support. Um, and I kind of need different entry and disqualifiers for this reversal. That's why I split it. I had the 15-minute reversal up there. It's all about following the rules, Olu. I'm realizing that more and more, man. Just like the inconsistency, man, it's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work. And yeah, so I'm gonna just trying to make a streak of following the rules. Stop making decisions for trying to chase profits, but just focus on the system, man. And it's like you can't even evolve your system if you don't consistently follow it because you don't have any real data. Like my profitable month of June, like the data was trash. So many rule breaks in that month. So yeah, got to do better. Man, lots of big earnings this week. I'm hopeful that they will push the market up. I really wanted June to close strong. I mean July to close strong. So I'm hoping for a strong move up over 547. Yeah, oh, here we go again. I really been wanting to change that sound effect, but all right, big down move at the open. Quickly bought up though. Let's see. Why does it look like it's such a big candle? I guess it is like 60 cents. Well, that went above pre-market high and then got slapped up. It's definitely not going to be a 2 minute. I don't know. That mug kind of going off now. Ooh wee. Man, that's kind of a big move there. I was kind of thinking in pre-market that I was gonna put an order over 547 just on GP, but that's reckless. Just wait and see what happens, and then put in an order. I was hoping this was gonna stay a little more narrow. Dollar stop's not bad on the SPY, I guess. It'll be $1, 2 minute ORB. Man, 546.63. What is that? 76 cents. 6 shares. Mm, Bruh, just wait. Just wait for 2 more minutes. Uh, Signature. I'm trying not to. All right, we cool. We cool. Waiting for that 5 minute. Waiting for that 5 minute. Just like that, I was about to break my rules. Look how it's holding this level right here. What is that? What is that? Oh, that's the opening range. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 69. Okay, that didn't go too far. And now I'm very happy that I did not jump the gun. Good job. I was trying. looks solid. I don't know, that top tail's getting kind of long though. All right, I got my order in over the top, over the opening range. Stop buy order at 70. There we go. PayPal to the moon. Let me check you out. I'm really surprised how long PayPal has. Oh yeah, I would definitely buy that. How long PayPal has been in the game? Uh, I don't know. I just kind of feel like they would have phased out, but even eBay too. I guess they're still really doing big things. I don't know anybody that talks about using PayPal for real. But yeah, PayPal looks good. I hope helps take the market there. Okay. All right, here goes the spy. Let's go. I was already getting antsy about adding. Gotta remember, this is only the second 5 minute candle of the day, and there will be many more. So let's just chill and see what happens. Gives this thing some room to wiggle. Just hanging out at my entry. There you go. There's 547. Feel like I should have gotten full enough to put my stop under there, but I'm trying to wait for a pullback, a real one, a real pullback. All right, look at that, man. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Might be a little too reserved on my ad, yo, because my stop is super wide. Love to have my stop right here. Yes, sir. Sheesh. That's a terrible looking candle. It's all right. We got a minute and a half. Hmm. Man, I'm really happy I did not add to this trade yet. I would have definitely been stopped out right now. Hmm. Man, if this thing could hold VWAP, uh, don't do it. I like this actually. I just want this 5 minute candle to close up over VWAP. That's all I want. 5 minute candle close over VWAP. I'm adding on the break, and then stop will be under that low. And could be pretty cool. Yep. Like it's about to pop right now, but I'm trying to wait. 546.65. And I'm gonna get a lower price average, more shares, higher stop. Yep, just stay over VWAP. There you go. This is exactly what I wanted to happen. Just chill right there for like 10 seconds. Actually, if it gonna close over the $0.50 too. All right, add orders out. Michael Cusack. Watch for that 1,000 report. Consumer confidence. All right, appreciate that, Michael. Oh man, that completely completely fell apart. Hmm. Dang, is this thing gonna completely reverse and go down? That's what it's looking like. Maybe it just wanted to come down there and test 546 one more time before heading on out. It's possible. I don't know, man. That lower day hold, I might have to jump on the SQs. What's the range? This thing moves 30 cents a day. What a joke. Oh, this moves 40 cents a day. 15 ain't looking good at all. Big top tail. Yeah, it's looking rough. Dang, that looks like a downtrend right there. Looks bad. It looks bad. It's all right. Might just be a one hour loss today. 6.83 cents. 545.88 is where I'm really supposed to be. It's 87. Guess we'll leave it there. Oh yeah, she's finished. TQQ and SQQ. Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. I was checking out the SQQs. I'm just kind of being used to trading large caps and then looking at something that only moves 30 cents a day. It's gonna be expensive. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. It's something I've thought about a lot as a long only trader, especially if I'm gonna stick to trading just one thing. Yeah, that makes sense. See how much they really want to hold. 546. I'm a carpenter, commercial carpenter. I've definitely seen that for sure, man. For sure. Um, it's been like 3 years for me. Um, with a short break in there, and man, this look kind of good right here, ain't it? This thing about to reverse. Had to be a 15 though. Yeah, I've definitely just going through d- trying to get myself to not do something every day and doing it every day anyway. Like wanting to, like with all of my soul wanting to stop breaking a rule and doing it every day. Oh man. Yeah, it's been a journey for sure, man. I appreciate it, bro. I believe it for sure. I've seen enough already to be convinced that, some great opportunities. Coolest job in the world, in my opinion. Yeah, absolutely, they do. It's almost like you should schedule breaks. All right, we got one R on this little position here on the SQs as the SPY broke through low of day. And I think we did the right thing. I don't know what I'm going to document this entry as. I guess maybe SPY broke low of day. This is the SPY broke low of day entry on the SQs. So we'll go here. Let's watch the SPY get down. Man, yeah, that's tough, man. Um that's one thing that super stood out to me in trading in the zone. Um he was like, this guy wants to be expects himself to be a disciplined trader, but he's not disciplined in any of the aspects of his life, you know. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about it so far. Hopefully the SPY won't pull back in just yet. It feels weird hoping for things to go down. I don't like it. uh, it's like against my spirit. But I'll just hope for the SQs to go up. How about that? Ooh, testing 545. Creeping up on yesterday's close as well. Oh, there goes 545. Looks like the SPY's taking the elevator down today. Or the window. Learn to scale. By that you mean like in or out? Yeah, I struggle with that a lot, man. I think I've definitely struggled with taking profits. I used to be a 2R all or nothing trader, and then I went to 3R all or nothing, and now I'm kind of just moving my stop up, kind of like a 1R trailing stop. Oh man, not like this, man. Yeah, makes sense. Look at this thing coming back in. What's going on here? Hmm. that candle or that one. What's up, HH? Break of 64 coming right up. Oh yeah, this is nice right here, man. I likes that. Likes that. Mm, okay. Yeah, it's looking real sketchy right now. I don't know what's going down. See, I don't want to start a thing of going back and forth, getting chopped by the SPY, and then going to get chopped by the SQs, and then coming back and getting chopped by the SPY. Like, oh wait, it's going that way. No, no, it's going that way. Look at this 15 on the SPY though. Hmm. Back under 546. Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh. Yeah, I really should be in the SPY only, but I don't know. I just secretly I feel like I'm gonna miss a lot. El FOMO. Break it on down. Break it on down. What is that? There you go. I can't believe I'm shorting is evil. Shorting is evil. I'm sitting here wanting things to lose value so that I can make money. It's terrible. I don't like it. Mm-hmm. 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 I was thinking of adding right there, but I just don't really have any room to remove my stop up. So pretty much in my maximum position that I can be at right now. So that's cool. Maybe it'll move like 25, 30 cents and make a little cash. I don't know though, man. It's looking kind of sketch. It's looking real sketch. Yeah, that's facts. That's facts. Mm-hmm. PayPal. Let me check you out, HH. Okay. Okay. Over 64. There you go. Appreciate you, bro. All right. Break it on down. Yeah. Yo, if we break down through 545, you guys hear me right now? I think 544.50 will probably give a pretty good fight. That might be a real good spot to take some profit. 544.50. So you look from yesterday, there was a lot going on. A lot going on right there. Uh-oh, is this gonna be a higher low? Yeah, that looked real nice on the 15, man. Over 64.08. 63.18. Oh, yeah, higher lows all the way up too. Yeah, man. 64.08. And the market's about to bounce. Hey, What's going on, Trade? What you see? Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, that looked like that's curling up, man. I don't know if my stop is gonna survive. This will be definitely a reinforcement for not doing this. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I've been trading indexes since last week. Just really trying to focus just on the SPY. But I'm a long trader, and when SPY starts trending down, making new lows, I start wanting to flip over to an inverse index. I don't know. I'm still kind of up in the air about it, but I'm totally sold on trading the SPY every day and not looking at anything else. I didn't look at any stocks pre-market except for just out of curiosity. I looked at Pfizer and I looked at PayPal. But yeah, I think I'm done chasing stocks for now, and I just want to focus on not breaking my rules and getting some tying some streaks together of days not breaking my rules. That's what I really want. Uh, but yeah, I really like just looking at one thing, just trading the market. I always felt like when I would be in a trade and I would see the market move, I would see something weird happen in my position, and then I would look at the market and it would make sense. And then I'd be like, man, I wish I was paying more attention to the market before I got into that position. And it's like, man, why don't you just trade the market? Just trade the market, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Trading the market. I feel like this isn't moving as much as this is moving. Like this came all the way back to VWAP and this did not. I don't know. I feel like this should be moving more. This is going down more than this is going up, is what I'm saying. Hey, I appreciate that. Yeah. Um I've had a few people suggesting it to me and then, just finally heard it at the right time, you know, in the right moment, right mindset, and just heard it in a time when it was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. All right, thanks, man. I appreciate the support. Enjoy Spain, man. It sounds awesome. Yeah, look at that spy breaking it on down like James Brown. Yeah, we gotta break back through. Ooh, a new low a day. I think we're good. I guess maybe if I look at the two, it'll feel more like it's tracking. Mm-mm-mm. Be green, man. Doom, doom. SPY down there at 545 now. Let's see. There it is, 544. I'm telling you, man, I think it's gonna give. What's up, bro? My man Trey. I think 544.50 is gonna put up a fight, but maybe not. We'll see. See, this thing making new lows. Why isn't this making new highs, bro? Come on, man. You're not tracking like you're supposed to. Oh, I guess this is the Qs though. That's I'm tripping. Okay, now it's making more sense. Interesting. Okay, so I probably would have gotten I would have got in way earlier had I actually been watching the cues for the inverse. It's interesting. I gotta figure out this new world of going long one index. Uh-oh, we got a higher low. Well, not really. Just haven't quite made a lower day yet. Is that what it's looking like? You think so? You expecting this SPY to bounce? Looks so weak to me. Oh yeah, look at the cues breaking down, breaking down. All right. Lower day on the cues is 462.85. It's testing 463. Okay, I think I like this, having the cues in the SPY here. This market is so wishy-washy. I think with the SPY, I don't know. I think the 5-minute ORB on the SPY might not be the best thing. A 15-minute, man. Because you wait 15, you get to see what a higher time frame direction looks like. And you got this big old tail right here. All right, we're probably going down. By the break, look where it goes. What's it gonna be? Man, trying to bounce on me. All right. What's gonna happen here? Okay. Heading back to the lows, it looks like. Q's testing 463, SPY testing 545. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. Uh-oh. There's 463 and 545. Oh yeah, we about to take 913. New high day on the key on the SQs. There you go. All right. All right. And we are following the rules today. I don't care what happens. I just want to be like, hey, I followed the rules. So we won. We won. So as soon as this thing says $10, I'm moving my stop up to break even. I think it's the inverse of the Qs. Yeah, it's the inverse of the Qs. Oh yeah, both of them are breaking down. Mm, that's just gonna keep on bouncing. You ain't messing with SOSX today, SOXS today? HH? Oh yeah, PayPal shaping up. It's moving slowly, but it's grinding. Come on now. Bray, get on down now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 462.63. Come on, get on down there. Get on down. Oh, there it is. Nice. Ooh-wee. All right, stop to break even on the SQ trade. Yes, sir. All right. Man, this is chill, bro. So basically, every $5, I'm moving up an R, which is also 10 cent. Or no, every 5 cent. Yeah, every 5 cent. Hey, let's try the trail. Let's see here. 904. Trail stop. 10 cent. I think that's how it goes. I've never done it before. But you don't get to see it on the thingy. I was wondering how that was gonna work if it was gonna interactively I don't trust that. I can't see it. So if I put the trail, does that mean like if I put a 10 cent, if my trail is size is 10 cent, that means every penny it moves up is gonna move up a penny too. It's just gonna stay strictly 10 cent away? Or is it gonna wait 10 cent and then move up? Because that's kind of what I intended. So yeah, I don't think the trail's gonna work for. I don't know. Let me just go back to 904. Is that 919? Is that 3R? Do I need to go up to 2R? Or 909, I guess it would be. All right. Got 2R locked. I think. Wait. No, I don't. Okay, I'm supposed to be. Hold on, man. Now I got 2R locked. Because there's 3R. All right. 2R so far in the books. Look at the market breaking down. I know, right? It's a wrap. Stop loss is at 2R. All right. 461. Okay, here's that 461.50 spot I was worried about. It looks like we're tapping into right now. I went to 461.46. So it actually went through it. We'll see if it can push back through. That thing pushed back through to the 40s, man. I feel like it should, my stop should actually be like under 909 as far as pullbacks go. But I don't know how long this is going to last, so I'm just going to stick to the rules, take my profits. Uh-oh. It's a lot of red came through that time in sales just now. Come on, back on up. All right. Well, got our 2R. So now we're up 1R on the day. Got a hammer forming on the 15. Right at this level. And it's a pretty good run down there too, you know. That's pretty aggressive on the 5 right there. I'd say that that was a pretty good sale. We'll see though. See how it turns out. It's pre-market low right there, and pretty much a little friction area from yesterday. So we'll see. I don't know. I'd rather try to long it down here if it got back down there. Um, it's gonna be unfortunate though if it keeps going lower and that's just all the move I could catch without stopping out. That's kind of why I want to manage on the lows rather than because I was saying, my stop really should have been still under 909. But no. That's what the rule said to do, and that's what I did. So hey, just how it be sometimes. Even though it looks like it's now I really wanted to bounce back up because that's gonna suck. uh Yeah, it definitely looks like one right now, in my opinion. It's got 2 minutes to set up. It don't look like it right now. It looks pretty good on the spot. Um, I think so too, bro. Yeah, me too. I like the tail on the 15, but I'd much rather take a 15-minute setup on this type of day. But just looking at the lower time frame and how that's happening and the support level was really strong yesterday. Um, I think at least a ride back to VWAP is in order, which is like 545, 80, 80-ish. Yeah, it actually definitely it looks better on the lower the time frame, the better it looks. But not really a great thing necessarily. 34.35. Yeah, this could really just be a really nice bounce off of yesterday's close and straight back down to the bottom, which is then I'll be kicking myself for not waiting for the 15. Video. Oh wow. Hmm. Man, if Nvidia can bounce here off 107, that would probably be helpful. Helpful to the cause. Looking lower at the moment though. Yeah, no, that's why I'm hoping that thing gonna bounce. Uh, yeah, me too, Wave Rider. Yeah, for sure it is. Ooh, make another high. It's gonna really be looking luscious. Luscious. That was the slowest way to ever do what I just did. Let's go. Let's go. Jack Burton in the house. What's going on, man? What's going on? I'm just over here, man, watching the market, trying to figure out what it wants to do. Reverse or keep going down. I don't know, man. Looks like it's rejecting yesterday's close kinda. I think if we could retake we gotta retake 545 to really get comfortable. That's the real thing we need to see. Oh yeah. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Brandon? What's keeping you, man? Probably work, huh? SQQ to the rescue. I know, man. I'm hoping I didn't just nullify it. I did just ruin today's no rule break streak by taking this 5 minute this reversal right here that wasn't a 15-minute hammer. So this is just a price action slash gut instinct trade right here, which is unacceptable. But we'll see how it goes. We in it now. Headed to medical. Oh, okay. Hey man. Well, you here with us, bro. We on the charts together. Trying to get to the bag. mm, it's looking shifty. I don't know, the Nvidia 107.16. Nvidia's not looking bad though. Maybe. Haha. Hey, that's what's up. We up. We up. All right, it's looking bad. It's looking bad. Yeah, man. That's why you wait for the 15. Why you couldn't just wait for the 15? Could have just waited for the 15. You would have seen that this was not the spot to go long. But we'll see. Maybe we'll get a double bottom, higher low here, higher low, double bottom, and make that reversal that we're expecting to see or hoping to see. But I would say the market is bearish right now, so expecting a reversal. Yeah, that was my bad. So that resets the rule break streak back to 0. I mean, it was already at 0, so it will be at 0 again. Yeah, supposed to wait for that 15-minute hammer, not the 5. It looked great on the 5, but it just wasn't it. Man, the Qs, definitely got myself out of the Qs early. Man, that sucks. Had I not done that, I probably would not have taken another position on the SPY, and I would still be making the green. That's cool though. That's cool though. Here's the real bounce right here. Point out the bounce. Dang, man. Very disappointed in myself for getting that. I guess it's just one of them times where the rules don't. Right. This is definitely not the trade. Dang, bro. So sad to not be in the queues right now. Look at this. Well, I have 3 trades that I have in my playbook, and my one reversal trade has to happen on the 15-minute at support, and that's not what I did in my with my SPY entry. This was basically an entry I took based on the 5-minute chart, and here's the bottom of the range that I was looking at. Um, yeah, we're back down to this level now, although we just broke through pretty bad. So now we might come down to this level. Oh man, what a time to not be in the SQs, man. Dang. I think I would actually rather not trade reversals and just trade the SQs. If I'm being honest. Because reversals, you're going long, moving that stop again. What you mean? Oh, moving it up? Yeah. Yeah. But I mean that was my rules. 1R trail after hitting 2R. But that's why I'd rather wait for the higher low to be created and then tuck my stop under there. I was really thinking just leave it at 909 until we get a higher low, but couldn't do that. Man, that sucks. What a nice trade this could have been. I should have just bought the break of 920. I feel like I could still buy it. Like it's probably gonna go all the way up to 950. That's even worse. Terrible entry up there. Yeah. Hey, bruh. Killing the game over there, man. That's what's up. Got a dollar. Golly. That's wild. Man, really. I heard that. I heard that. It was beautiful. Wow, really? Yeah, man. It's the journey's wild, but the journey is wild, but the fruits, man, what can come from it, man, is pretty awesome. And I think that makes it worth it, you know. Hopefully. Hopefully I look back at all this stuff and feel like it was worth it. I'm about to do the same thing again. Yep, absolutely. Not really boredom, but I mean, I want to catch a reversal. It's more of I guess I'm like, I already broke the rules today, so uh, yeah, you sure ain't lying. It's also really extended too, but yeah, it's crazy week. Yeah, yeah, I think after today I'm gonna have to delete it from the playbook, man. It's just not it's opening up a door that has not been opened, and I know it's on the other side of this door. Lots of paper cuts. I mean, I guess the reversal's cool if I would just wait for an actual 15-minute reversal. But this one might be pretty cool actually. FPA VPA book. Yeah, this is more of a I wanted to reverse trade than seeing all the evidence of a reversal. Yeah. I'm not saying it's not a great spot, but I don't know. I guess we about to find out. Right. I just want like a little 3R out of this joint. That would be pretty sweet. All right, Brandon. Appreciate you, man. Good luck on your physical therapy, bro. I had ACL surgery a couple years ago, so I've been there, my friend. All right, so we got a R coming every 50 cent with this position we got. So when we get to a dollar, if we get to a dollar, um, see what happens with that blue line right there. Might bounce right off of it. Where Brooklyn at? Okay, well, see what's gonna happen here. We're gonna hold 542. I would say if we don't, this reversal's probably canceled. So really, could tighten this bad boy up right underneath 541, 90, 96, 94, something like that. Really no need to risk this far in. But you never know. It's making higher highs, so we'll give it a little room. We can move it up to here if we get our next high. Dun dun dun. This would be nasty if it keeps going down. I mean, nasty. SPXS. Hmm. Yeah, it probably makes more sense. You just had to get a lot of shares on this, I guess, to make it make sense, which means higher commissions. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I'm done adding. Let's wait. Let's see. Let's just look to start moving this stop. I don't know. 5 more shares would be pretty sweet, though. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, we'll see, man. This reversal hasn't really done anything wrong yet. Until it makes this lower low and stops me out, then it's done something wrong for sure. But yeah, it's looking about like that. Yeesh. Yeah, so that's two times. Actually, this might be another added myself out of the play, but I was trying to keep my wrist tight at first, and then that last ad made me want to keep it super tight. But uh, yeah, I think I look so different than the spies chart. No, not really. It's just not. It hasn't moved in nearly as much. How is this three times bear? Looks so different. That looks so much better. Yeah, I'm about to. It's not sitting right with my soul. Yeah. Should have just been good with my 1 hour day. And hmm. There's definitely a place for reversals, but it just wasn't really any great criteria. Like my favorites are double bottoms, and within those double bottoms, a nice hammer candle at support. And I was just really FOMOing into these spy reversals today. Sure is fun unlocking all these new challenges all the time. um, Hmm. Think I just need more criteria for it. I mean, the 15-minute though, that's pretty clear. Pretty clear. It still might go too. I just managed that trade crappily. Nope. VWAP and volume. I used to use. I mean these are on here because of the day. This is what I usually use as a daily chart, and on the daily, I do like having the 200 and the 50 EMA. Um, and then this is just up there. But yeah, typically I just like VWAP and volume and support and resistance levels. Keep it clean and just trade the price action, you know. I just really think this is supposed to come back and test this blue line and drop a lot. Yeah, I think this will probably go lower, a lot lower. What time is it? 11:36. Yeah, and the other thing about reversals is you're trading against the direction of, it's a lot. It's a lot to ask. And it's like a difference between like a bullish stock reversing. Yeah, it was just too many signals, man. When I was first, when you first start and you're looking for that edge and you're looking for that clear signal, that this is a good trade, but you end up just having so many signals, man. I used to have the 9 and the 21 EMA on my chart and waiting for like both of them to cross, and it's just it's price structure, the price action and the way it moves between levels is really all it's doing. So, and they say most indicators are lagging. So, yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing about reversals. 33 is the low of that candle. Is you're going in the opposite direction, going long under VWAP. Like it breaks all of those principles, man. You know? Yeah, it does. um, these are pretty easy days, actually, for me. I still haven't completely like stood 10 toes down on what I'm going to do and what I'm not going to do in the market. I still just have a little bit of fluidity with you know, I like trying setups, man. That's a problem. Let's see. Disney. Let's see, Disney on the daily. Ooh, okay, got a little gap fill action up to 95.16 maybe. I think this is pretty good back over VWAP. You know, it made a really big move up and it needed to cool off for a while, and it's cooled off for a while. And now it's back over yesterday's high. And, it's still trading on the bottom side of VWAP, though. I would maybe want to wait for it to break VWAP and hold. Let's see. What's it looking like on like the hourly? Ooh, that's kind of nice. Yeah, maybe you wait for this hourly candle to close. This hourly looks great. See if it closes green over VWAP, and then yeah, it looks strong. That looks strong. I like where it's at right now. I think if it holds yesterday's high, you could take it or wait for it to break today's high and take it. Oh, major earnings. Yeah, I know. I feel great having the SQs, man. Hmm. This is cleaning up too. Guess I can try to do the SPXS since I'm gonna be a SPY trader, and I won't be have to keep the Qs up. That will make more sense. But anyway, I'm in the SQs now, so let's all go in PFE. All right, everybody. There you go. VWAP is broken, my friend. Yeah. That's all you, signature. All right, we'll see what happens with this. I gotta use the restroom, y'all. I'll be right back. All right. What was that? PFE? Now it looks all right. Now you just gotta wait for it to break 3074. That's some pretty good action right here over VWAP on PFE. I like it. All right, we got 1R up on the Qs after taking that break through the high of day. What? Yeah, PFE. Oh, wow. Wow. Talk about running your stops. Talk about running your stops. This is the greatest hammer candle of all time. I don't know, man. If you didn't have your stop below lower day, you out of there. I guess it might not matter though. Start taking 1R scalps out this mug. You out, yeah. That was a tough pullback right there. That was crazy. That looks like some good old market manipulation. Good old manipulation. Somebody sold their whole position. Had to pay like a 80-cent spread on it. Mo down or mo up? What y'all think? Hey, what's going on, Kay? I'm feeling all right. I got I tried a couple reversals today on the SPY that I'm regretting, but other than that, it's been a pretty cool day. 5 minute entries on the SPY too on the reversal. I don't know. I think I'm kicking the reversals out of my playbook just because it's like, catching a falling knife, going the opposite direction of the trend, going long below VWAP. It's like all of these violations. And I would rather just flip to an inverse if I feel like if it's making new lows. I would rather just be playing the inverse than trying to catch reversals. So, yeah. Like maybe like a bullish reversal where it's traded up over the previous day's high and it's traded up a long time and then it pulls all the way back to previous day's high, and then you try to catch a bounce there where it's still, in a bullish state. It's still, not when it's making new lows on the daily and then you're trying to catch a move back up. That's not the move, yo. So I'm learning. I'm figuring out. It's like I'm in a new place and I'm kind of figuring out the walls of my sandbox, the perimeter of my playing area. And yeah, I'm chilling for real. This is I'm definitely liking it. I'm liking the clarity and the yeah, like yeah, double bottoms are really nice. And that's actually the reversals that I played that I was the most confident on. They were double bottoms on the same day. Yeah, like this one from yesterday. Wait, this the SQs. I'm talking about on the spy. Hmm. Might be okay to go ahead up to 940. Yeah, I really don't want to take any entries lower than the 5 minute. And really that's at the beginning of the day. Like after like 10:30, it's really about that 15 minute for sure. Hmm. That's how I feel about the 2 minute chart, but um this definitely faked me out a lot. Man, curling up again. I don't know, maybe it is about to reverse. Wow, that was a quick drop down from 70. 3R altogether. Nice. A bit more courage. I feel you on that, bro. Hey, 3R is nice though, man. 3R is nice. I'd love to be at 3R right now. Yeah, that was a crazy dip. I was so disappointed I got stopped out of my SQs, being a little aggressive with my stop. Come on. Spy definitely want to go down some more. Spy is like, please lower. There we go. Nice. Hey, man. That's super cool, bro. I know that's got to feel good, man. I know when I'm trading well, I'm feeling great about life, man. Feel like I'm on the brink of realizing my dreams. And yeah, man, that's what's up. Man, bro, I can't believe how much it's changed things. Only thing about XPXX is the daily, bro. It just doesn't move. Man, real quick, bro. Yeah, real quick. Those good times. It seemed like for me, whenever it gets going good, it does something to my mindset, and I end up like stop. I end up not doing all the things that got me there, and end up back at square one, which just means I don't have the right habits in place yet. Come on, let's make a new low a day so we can move to a new level. Got to break 21 on the cues. It's 27, 26, 25, 21. Come on, let me see that 19. There's 20. Let me see that 19. Nah, don't go that way now. Going the wrong way. There you go. Ah, man. Okay, now it does look a little reverse-ish. Dang it. Yeah, it's gotta be. What time is it? 12 o'clock. Yeah. I'm spinning my wheels. I was already up 1R, then took two 5-minute reversals on Spy, two rule breaks in a row, and now I'm down 1R on the day. Yep, $5 risk. Right. Yeah. Um. Come on, man. One more crackdown. $9.53. That's where we need to get to. 9.53. Oh, you about to show that 19? Oh, there we go. New low day on the Qs. So why am I not at a new high day on the SQs, yo? I need some answers. I need some answers. Um, yeah, I know, man. What's the deal? Yeah, but they both just made the SPY made a new low of day. They both made new low of day. How come mine did? See, SPSX made a new high day. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Wow. I haven't even looked at Nvidia's daily in a while. Oh, yeah, Nvidia's all bad right now. All bad. Man, market look like it's going back up, yo. Yeah. Man, it ain't even nothing there though, bro. I really am just I break even makes sense, but I mean it's not like it's made a lower high. It's just struggling to break below that high. Dang, just took 458. Looks like it's pumping too. Yeah, it did. But this time of day, man, them kind of reversals for me, it got to be on the 15, man. It needs that extra high level of confirmation. Total limbo. Which way is it gonna go? It's really cracked low so far today already. Shouldn't really expect more out of it. Yeah, that's one of the biggest benefits I get from this channel is doing the review video every day. But you know, I write notes in the review video, and then I log my journal. I log my trades in Trader Sync, which is like Trader View, you know, online journal. And I'm definitely not taking full advantage of all the features though, and I'm really lacking on my journal game. I have so many, like I have a whole backlog of trades I need to go through and tag with you know, my setups and mistakes, and you know, so I can really refine the data. But I mean, for now I'm just kind of collecting it, but I'm definitely behind. Yeah, I think if this thing doesn't bounce here, it's gonna be wrap. So probably could go ahead. I don't have enough room in my stop to really give it a lot of room, so it doesn't really make sense to give it much room, in my opinion. Man, that's one of the things I be lacking on the most is taking screenshots, man. I always want to go back and look and see exactly where my executions were. The cool thing about the journal though, it does show you a picture of your trade when you log it, so you can see where you entered and exited. So it's kind of like having a screenshot. But I really like taking a screenshot of this entire screen so I can see what it looked like on all the time frames. But yeah, I forget to do it. I forget to do it, but I definitely intend to take screenshots. I just don't do it consistently enough. Yeah, it does for sure. 12:15. 12. Yeah, that sounds awesome. And you definitely notice things, you know, going over your past charts. I know it's invaluable information. I'm just lacking. I don't have a solid routine yet, you know, like I'll tell you one thing though, my morning routine has gotten way more simpler since I'm just trading the spy. Like chilling. All right, what we gonna do here, man? What are we gonna do? Man, I can't tell which way this thing wants to go. Right. Totally. I can't. Okay, that's nice. Can we get okay? Yeah. A lot of times I'll sit for hours and then end up getting stopped out. It's like which is like basically just to get data because they ain't making no money off of it. I'm here for the data. Yeah, I don't know, man. This thing's starting to. I can't make it out. I don't know what this thing wants to do, honestly. I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at though. Uh, might lose $2 on this trade if it stops. Yeah, chill. I'm here, until it stops me out. I'm here. It's like nobody really wants to buy it or sell it right now. Okay, back in the 60s. Ooh. Okay, 50s. I'm looking at these the cues at this time and sales on the cues down here. Man, I got to get on this tape reading book too, man. I'm really curious to see if I can pull some value, pull some more value out of this. Any of you guys into tape reading? Yeah, it is extended. Wow, we back to the 30s. Okay. 20s. Go ahead, break it down then. Let's go and get into them 456s, man. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. Break it on down. Ooh, 99.46 on the SQ. Do we have 947? We got 947. Okay. Mm. I kind of feel like I can pull some sort of sentiment from the tape, but not really. Not enough to put a trade on because of it, you know. It just I don't know, it really seems random to me. Hey, what's going on? I appreciate you stopping by to say hi. No, this is live. I'm live right now with really small risk. I'm just risking $5 a trade. But yeah, I'm live. Sierra charts. Oh yeah. I haven't heard of them. Is that like a trading view type deal? Yeah, the sim is like when you just really need to not be in the market to me. Like it's like we're doing all right, Brandon. The sim is like because you don't it's really hard for me to take it all the way serious, right? Cuz I mean, it's easy to just shrug something and say, "Well, it doesn't really matter cuz it's just the sim." So, I really don't like to stay there, but it's a good place to reset cuz sometimes you just need a break away from the charts. And I've had really great times where I'm just sitting and looking and, not trading. And it does kind of resets me and so I feel like I've gotten what I needed from the couple of days I spent in the sim last week, and then I want to get back to it, working on the psychology of dealing with risk and dealing with profit as well, because both are challenging or can be challenging. Yeah. So, the sim is really the place to learn how your platform works, to learn how to place orders, learn how to manage, the technical aspects of trading. Um, and then, try to, I think it's good to practice some sort of strategy, try to get a strategy down before you head to the live. But you really need to get there as quickly as possible because the hardest part about trading is the psychology, the mental part, the emotional decision making, So yeah, I didn't really want to spend too much time there. I know it's my buddy Alex was telling me to earn my way out of the sim, and I agree with that to some extent, but it also feels like a bit of a waste of time, and for me, just where I'm at right now, especially with the YouTube channel, not it's just we gotta make it happen. So, but yeah, I mean, I'll definitely, I'm not afraid to send myself back to timeout if I feel like it's needed. But I think I got what I needed from it. Did that thing touch 9 yet? 48. Oh yeah, No, I'm not making money off the YouTube channel, but you know, I want to still provide some level of interest and entertainment. To me, watching somebody trade the sim is just kind of like, I can do that, you know. Um, just kind of keep a little bit of pressure on myself to keep moving forward. But nah, and I'm not. Of course, I would like to generate an income from YouTube, but I'm literally here. I'm in the market to be a trader. YouTube is very secondary. I have no desire to sell courses or pretend like I'm a profitable trader to get views and all of that stuff. You know, this is an honest journey of me really trying to get this out to change my life and the lives of my family, you know. It's kind of looking interesting right now. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's the main purpose of the YouTube right now is the accountability of doing the reviews every day, and the community, man. It's I really enjoy trading with you guys, you know, having conversations, and you guys really poke at my my trades and my strategy and my ideas a lot, and it helps me, you know, think them through and challenge them, and maybe, you know, maybe there's a better way. You know, like now I'm trading the SPY. People have been mentioning it. You know, I've had a lot of people come and tell me, you know, they only trade the indexes or they only trade one thing, and I've been like, oh yeah, that's cool. And then, you know, it just came at me at somebody, you know, came at me at the right time in the right moment, and I was ready to give it a try, you know, and now I really like it. I'm so surprised how much I like it. Um, Man, appreciate that, Kay. Appreciate that. Um, yeah, man. Um, I think it's gone up enough for me to be cool with going up to break even. If it crashes back down, I'll go ahead and take my 1 hour loss on the day, and that'll be it. Man, imagine though, look at this entry down here. I just got too aggressive. Look at that. I moved my stop into green candles, like all green, and I stopped myself out. Just had to wait. Just had to wait 5 more minutes for this pullback. And then, you know, would have been all into this action. But it's all good. Yeah, yeah, I do remodels on the side. I got I'm actually starting a bathroom on Saturday, God willing. I'm actually pretty excited about it. It's probably the customer's actually my closest friend, and he's like, "Man, let me hire you to do my bathroom." And so it's gonna be pretty, I guess, the most modern bathroom I've done. So I'm excited to see how this goes. Heated floors, you know, of course, the tile shower with the little cubby, and they want a floating vanity and a smart mirror. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, really good friend, man. Cause I go over there and do stuff, you know, on his house all the time, just on, you know, that's my friend. You know, he helps me at my house, I help him at his house. And he was like, "Man, I want you to do my bathroom like a paid job." Like, hey, man. Yeah, yeah. It's definitely not a stream of income coming from this, man. This is a money pit right now, you know, which is why I'm trying to keep my tuition low by risking $5 a trade until I can prove myself. What's today? Tuesday? Okay. It's only the second day live. Man, can it go lower? That's the question. Down here beneath 456 again. That's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good if it can hold down there. Stop coming back to 457. Just be wanting stocks to die. uh, wishing the worst on the Qs right now. Just die. Yeah. I'm my. I have less than a 1,000 in my account. I had when I first started this account though, I had a lot more in my. I had a couple grand in my account when I started streaming. So full disclosure, I blew up my account like last week. I had to send money over. Yeah, for sure. It said it's 3 times leverage, but it don't seem like it. It's barely moving. I'm like, where's the movement? We're just like staying in 1 cent range on these candles, 2, 3 cent range. I'm just not used to these cheap stocks. All right, 456.85. That's what I'm talking about, man. Break it on down. 68 is the low. Yeah. I'm definitely trying to build it up, man. And just like it's so easy to get like a 1 or 2 days out of control. Like I really destroyed my account in a week. Had a whole profitable month of June. A rock star, like I made 30R in 1 week, the first week of July. I made double what I made in the month of June in the first week of July. And then for the rest of July, just straight destruction to my account. Like going way past max loss, like hitting my broker and asking him to raise my max loss in the middle of the trading day. And my broker's hella cool, but I don't think he should be doing that. Like, come on, man. You know I got my max loss there to help me, and you just gonna move it for me. Thanks, Brandon. That was the idea, you know. That's what I was looking for. Cause, everybody's a guru. And it's like there's no struggle in it at all. Like you just, hey man, all you gotta do is do this and $1,000 a day. Like, nah, man. This stuff is difficult. It's it's the level of consistency and discipline you need to have is a lot on a human being, on a man and or a woman, and especially in 2024, man. We're not in disciplined times. Everything's instant gratification, no patience. So yeah, it's tough, man. I appreciate you coming along with me, man, and sharing your journey with me too. All right, what's going on here? Got up to 2R, so we're at break even. I think honestly, I think the YouTube name is everlasting. I think I think even the top traders still struggle some days, right? Like I think the struggle is just it's life, you know. Life is a struggle. Um, I think just like I've constantly unlocked new challenges as I've progressed in this journey to get to where I'm at now. I think that will probably continue to happen. You know, when I get successful with this share size and I start risking, you know, a couple $100 a day, that's got to be a little different. You know, that's got to present some different challenges emotionally. So I feel like it, you know, I imagine that the name's good, you know. Struggle never ends. Exactly. More money, more problems. You know? So I've definitely had a lot of people, not a lot, but I've had a few people come and say, you know, you should change your name. You're creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. But I'm not like, hey, you guys, let's go struggle, you know? I can't wait to get that on the market and struggle today. Like, no, I'm not trying to struggle. It is what it is, you know? And honestly, the people saying it are struggling too, I would imagine. So I think it works. I like it. I think it gives the vibe that I want to give, that I'm not here like teaching people to trade. I'm just sharing my experience, you know? Yeah, you're right. You're right. Appreciate that, bro. Yeah, you know, I since you guys got a brother over 500 subs, you know, I unlocked merch and all that stuff that you can do on YouTube, which I don't know. I got a really good friend of mine, my guy Tilo, you know, he's pushing me to, you know, do all of that, but I'm just like so overwhelmingly focused on becoming a trader. It's really hard to, you know, get lost in all of that stuff. But yeah, I think it's really cool, man. I love trading, and the struggle is honestly part of the you know, the if it was so easy, would it really be that fun? I guess it would be fun just making ridiculous amounts of money effortlessly. So yeah, I don't know, but the struggle makes the wins so sweet, I guess. My face on it. The face of the struggle. Yeah, I can't even like wrap my mind around what a logo would be or a brand. Like I don't what logo gives off what I'm trying. Man, I know, right? Yeah, I feel the same way, Brandon. I'm just struggling. I'm focused on this, and um, you know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. When y'all see the chair get upgraded, when y'all see the new chair, y'all gonna know it's popping. Like, oh, he got the new chair. uh, okay. That's what's up. Yeah, I mean, the chair is coming from trading profits. I'm not buying no chair. So For sure, when the chair is upgraded, it's going down. Yep, straight up. The glow up is gonna be televised. God willing. All right. Well, stops at break even on this trade. This mug is going on forever. Oh yeah, look like it's moving back up. I probably should have moved stop up a little tighter just to lock in a couple dollars or something. It's almost to the point where I'm like, man, I should just get rid of this 2 minute chart altogether. Thing be getting me in trouble. uh I done threw out plenty of money signature. I don't think I gotta worry about that. Okay. A little move back down there. That's a cool shirt signature. I like that. I'm telling you. Yeah, when I first started trading, oh, the weekends sucked. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely intend to get all that stuff together too, signature. Because I do not want to pay any taxes that I do not need to pay. I'm not saying I'm going to evade them, but I'm going to legally not pay as much tax as possible. Um, so yeah, that has to happen. Nah, I gotta wait on the chair just on principality. I got the chair will mean so much more if I buy it. My first withdrawal from my trading account, I have not made a withdrawal yet. My first withdrawal, I'm getting the chair, yo. Because my idea is to build my account up to 5K. Because the amount of leverage I have, 5K is plenty. Build my account up to 5K, and then have this is of course the dream after I'm profitable, God willing. Um, and then just maintain the 5Gs, and then just make withdrawals of whatever's over that. Maybe like once a week or once a month or whatever. Minus trades. I don't know. I have to look at my prop reports a lot though, because my winning percentage is like 20%. And I get down on the over trading, so it's a lot. That's one thing I'm super excited about, just trading the indexes, is just not trading so much. Cool new phone. I want to get my drift car off the jack stands. That's my main thing. All right, we making new lows again. 950. That was kind of what I was expecting for the high. Is that what it was? Let me see. Yeah, it was. So I literally got in this trade hoping to get to 950. And that's 2R. So, I mean, really, I could just take my 2R and call this a winning trade because that's what I expected from it. Um, I'll tell you what, we'll capture 1R. 1R to make this a break even day, and I really want to make this get this 2R actually. Um, hmm. I'm try to be a little patient though. Oh, really? Wow. I didn't know that. But as an LLC, you can claim all of it. Is that how it works? Come on, man. Yeah. Uncle Sam wants those taxes. Uncle Sam gotta have those taxes, actually. Come on, break it on down. I just want to slide my stop up to 3R. I mean to 2R. What was this high? 53. Hmm, that's interesting. Bro, who's buying the spy down here? Stop it. Let it go. It is kind of making a bottom right here, though, on the spy anyway. Come on, man. Just break up one more price level, and I can put my stop. There you go. There you go. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, break that 456. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey yo. Yo. All right, that's 54. So we going up to 49. Two are locked. Where my chef guy at? Oh, here we go. That's where. Dang, I'm messing up. I'm messing up. Color source. Okay. My chef guy at? Okay, there we go. There we go. There's 54. Bruh, imagine having this from the first entry, the level of home run this trade could have been. Oh my God. And look, all you had to do was manage it on the fives. This is why I have the rule for the 5 minute pullback to stay in this type of trade, right? It goes make a high, you pulls back, boom, stop under the low. Makes a high, pulls back, breaks. When it makes the next high, that's when you move the stop up. Comes up, pulls back, makes the next high, move your stop up. It's like, bro, you be right up to here with it. Look at this thing going, man. 3R in the building. 3R in the building. This is cool, man. This turned out to be a cool little day. Um, Definitely got the green locked. Don't try to reverse now. Just keep it moving. Keep it moving. What's the next level? Hey, what's up, Brad? Yeah. It's going good, man. I'm really enjoying the spy, man. The indexes anyway. I'm trading the Qs right now, but I'm having a great time with it, man. Where is the next what's the next level I'm looking for over here? Whoa. 971. Whoa, 57. At 59, we're going up to 54. Wait, what's the low? 53? Hmm. 58. Come on. Um, Dang, it already went through 455 already? Golly. Come on, print that 59. Man, that's the ticket right there, bro. That's the ticket, man. I want to do the same thing, man. I think that's a good idea, being really official about it like that. What's up, Jack? Yeah, man, this little short's going nice. I feel like I'm being a little aggressive with my stop, but I should just let that thing fall, huh? Nah, that's a big volume just came in right there. I'll take my 3R if he wants to give it. Thanks, Signature. I appreciate you, bro. It's been a blast trading with you guys. Ooh, is it about to break 60? I believe it is. Bro, we ran through 455 like it was nothing. Like a hot knife through butter. Hey, yo. Is that 4R on the map? Oh man, bro, I be feeling it when I get that revenge. When I don't even look at the chat because I don't want to hear nothing. I'm in my bag right now. I'm about to get this money back. Yeah, it gets ugly, bro. I cannot believe. Look how good it could have been, man. I gotta do better. Gotta do better. What's SPX? SPSLXX. Bro, you need like 1,000 shares on this thing. Yo, we are over 960 right now. Can't wait to move my stop up to 959. As soon as we make a next high. Yeah, it takes time. Hey, I'm taking 59, man. They can have it. Y'all can have it. Y'all can have it, man. I'm done. Take my 3R, 3R on the day. Y'all can have it. Yeah, so just some regrettable trades on the SPY. Taking these 5-minute reversals against the direction of the trend. And once I got my mind right and decided to just go ahead and focus on the direction of the trend, things went really well. Things went really well. So I think I think I think I got a good feel on what I can do. Honestly, waiting the first 15 minutes I feel like makes more sense trading the index. Um I guess it really just depends on each day, but um yeah, thanks Brad. I'm pretty happy about it. It could have been really nice without these SPY mistakes. I'm cool with 1R loss on the SPY. Those other two were just reckless trades. Yeah, yeah. I want to trade with the trend, man. Um, Once it's proven itself, like this is definitely going, the market was obviously weak. You could tell. You could really tell after 15 minutes. So, yeah, that might be the move, y'all. That 5-minute opening range breakout, it's like a rush in. And might be better to just wait, man. Might be better to just wait. Or I mean, you could throw a R at, just if you just want to give it a try, If it has a really good direction bias, you can try the 5-minute. But man, this was a really nice trade right here. Break high a day, way up there. I'm happy about that. Yeah, buddy. Um, Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. I'm feeling good, man. I really like this. I really like this. Um, Yeah, I'm done with the reversals, man. No worries, bro. I'm really sad I haven't really seen any of the Olympics. I've always been hype about the Olympics, especially the summer games, man. I have not seen a single event. I've just seen a few reels. So I'm pretty disappointed about that. I gotta catch up, man. Um Diamond hands. Yeah. Yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Yeah, this was really nice. I'm still tripping though on how this was my entry down here, man. Uh 904 to 952 on 100 shares. On 100 shares, bro, it'd have been a $50 trade with $5 risk. Straight 10R move right here. Look, I got in right here at 904 with 100 shares, and this never made a lower high on the 5. How could I have known? Well, I could have managed on the 5-minute pullbacks. Could have done that. Um, Instead of moving my stops into price action, which is pretty much what I did. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's what it is right there, trader. Reversal got to be in the direction of the overall trend, and if it's green on the day above previous day's high, yeah. And I have not defined that. So I guess I can define it. Looking like that was probably a good sale. Was a good sale as of right now. All right, y'all. It's getting pretty late in the day. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here so I can have time to do this review video and try to have a productive rest of my day. Man, thanks you guys so much for hanging with me. This is a great day for the journey, man. Up 3R, 3R with a nice uh 6R profits on SQs, and minus 3R on the SPY. But not a bad day, man. Not a bad day. Not a bad day. I think this is pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I'm really excited, y'all. I think we on our way. Anyway, you guys be safe out here in the markets and be safe in the world, man. Check out that review video for me. Hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.